Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have a micro app to repair. This brand is Samsung brand, very nice brand, black color, very nice. Its problem is there is everything is okay but no hot. All are working fine. Panel also working fine, but inside is no hot. So I'll remove the back cover, then video will be back. Let's see step by step what is the problem inside. Dear viewers, I have removed the back cover. This is the fuse. This is the capacitor, high voltage capacitor. So we have to check the capacitor, and we have to check the fuse also. Then we'll check the magnetron. Magnetron looks very bad. See, it has been like burned. And step by step I'll check, then video will be back. There is inside this fuse. There's fuse is okay. See, if we check the continuity, so we have continuity, so fuse is okay. If this fuse is okay, then we will remove from there also the connector from capacitor. We have removed. Then now we'll connect here or AC voltage, then we'll turn, we'll see there is AC volt present or not. Okay dear viewers, I have connected the meter, AC voltage, so we have to see AC voltage present or not. We'll connect it, then we'll set it microwave, then we'll start. It's turned on, but there is no AC bulb present. See, no AC bulb. So no AC bulb. If no AC bulb is present in there, so something is problem in here in this section. Maybe switch, door switch, or maybe in the relay problem. So we have to check the here. So it's not problem in that side. Dear viewers, I have checked all the door switch. I have checked the door switch continuity, so all switches are okay. So finally problem is here, relay. Let's see. So finally I have found problem is the relay. We have AC voltage here but not there. So I have removed, this folder I removed. Then we have to test it. We have to put a DC volt, DC 12 volt, then we have to see the continuity. We'll press DC volt 12 volt, then we'll connect. See, there is noisy. It's like working, but it's not working. If I connect, 3.7, but there is no continuity in this two terminal. There is no continuity. So if we give a 12 volt DC volt, should be continuity here. So I have checked, there is no continuity. See, no continuity. So finally I have found problem is this relay. I will change this relay, then it will be continuity. Okay, dear viewers, I have changed the relay. This relay I have changed from there, so I will connect all the connector, then video will be back. Yeah. Okay, dear viewers, I have connected all the cable and I have connected or a digital meter also. Yeah, if everything is okay, so we should get here AC voltage. Yeah, to close the door, turn it on. Read the microwave, start. Yes, we have AC voltage present. Yeah, so inshallah if I connect all the cable, then our will be hot. Yeah, will get hot inside. So I'll connect all, then we will be back. Okay, dear viewers, I have connected capacitor and fuse and magnetron cable also. So let's test it finally. Inshallah, if everything is okay, so our food and water will be hot. I put little bit of water, turn it on, then set it microwave for set it for 1 minute 40 seconds. Okay. Yeah, viewers, water is hot. I can feel it because it's only 30 seconds, so it's not very hot, but I can feel water is very hot. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the like button. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.